Hello, hello. We are here at Chattahoochee Bend Park. What do you think, Jim? What are you and Lola plan on doing today?
Well, where are we going? We're gonna go walk up the river.
Holt, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna go catch crawfish.
Well, you, Wyatt?
I'm gonna fish a little bit and catch crawfish.
All right, we have enough gear to survive for a month, I think, but we're gonna have fun.
Walk around circles till we find the little trailhead thing, or the trail entrance. No, buddy.
Where's this trail take us? Chattahoochee Bend.
We did. We got them, Mama. Thank you.
I think I already see something. Spider web. Definitely I got a spider web.
So the boys wanted to use some teriyaki beef jerky to try to catch some crawfish. They got their little traps out here. All right, so Wyatt, what he did, he just built a little dam out of rocks down here. And we took a piece of beef jerky and kind of put it there in the middle. And see, we've got the creeks flowing down, and there's a little bit of, what was that?
Don't know.
Okay. Creek's flowing down this direction right here. It's flowing this way, that direction. So all the water is collecting right there at where the sticks are. So the sticks are kind of helping get some of the dirt and sediment stuff coming through. And then this little pool is kind of clear right here. So what he did is grab some of the rocks, flip them over looking for crawdads. Didn't find any, but he's stacking those rocks up. So we got a clear little pool right here, and we put a couple pieces of beef jerky in there, kind of in the middle, so that when we come back, maybe an hour or so, maybe there'll be a couple of crawfish in there that we could easily catch by hand. So what do you think about that, Wyatt?
It's a good idea. I think we're gonna be successful.
All right, cool. All right, I tell you what, do this. Take this one piece here and put it on the top side up there, just in case something comes from that side. We'll come check it out in a little bit.
I've got a green sunfish in this big deep hole.
Let's see him. Hold him up for him, babe. Let me see him.
He caught this in a creek. Mm-hmm. Pull it out. Green sunfish.
Let's see him. Yeah.
Beautiful.
What'd you catch him with?
No.
Little artificial bait, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm. I caught one too.
Are you going to eat him for dinner?
Sure. Green sunfish and a bluegill like breed, and it looks purplish. Pretty cool. We're gonna let this one go. It's too small to keep. Where did I put this one, Dad?
That one's big enough?
That why I'm fishing now. You caught one.
Then throwing them back. All right, let's go.
Here, give me that. No. Go ahead, Holt. Let me fix my bait. No, here, let go.
Here, hold it how I am. Okay, throw it.
What'd you get, Holt?
Caught this little bluegill.
I'm already in.
Look, Wyatt, here. Wyatt,
Here, I'll take the fishing rods.
It's all right.
Here.
Get your shoe.
It's dead.
I got it. So we made out to the river and started raining a little bit. So thankfully, Jennifer made us some sandwiches. Pretty good turkey, isn't it, buddy?
And beef jerky.
Beef jerky. I think Holt used most of the beef jerky for the traps, didn't you? Some of it. And Wyatt. How many fish have you caught so far, Holt?
I've caught 2, one with the net and one with my little fishing rod, and then Wyatt used my fishing rod and caught one too.
Yeah.
And I caught one with the net.
And a crawfish.
Oh, and I caught a giant crawfish.
Giant one.
We're gonna eat him.
Holt, what'd you catch, buddy?
Got 2 crawfish and a whole bunch of minnows.
Well, let's go look at it.
Oh, I caught 2 crawfish. What?
Right here's, buddy. Hey, right here, Holt. Holt.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna get the crawfish out
Hey.
first.
We need to get that little basket put him in, don't we? Let's look. Crawfish and little minnows.
Let go.
Let me see him. Cool. All right, let me
Where
hold
did I
that
put
one.
him?
Let me hold him. You get the other. Oop. Yeah.
Where's the other one?
He's in there.
Where?
I don't know. In the corner, right there. Let's see what we got. You got him? What
He
happened?
can pinch me when he can pinch me. What? This thing's fat.
Got several. All right, we need to put it back in some water or something.
You want me to go dip him in water real quick?
Get the crawfish out and put the minnows back in the water.
I don't know where the. This thing can pinch wherever.
He's right there. Get him.
Can't.
Let me get it.
Sure.
Here, hold this one.
This guy's can't get me. Did you pull up your traps yet? You won't let go.
Come on, guy, let go. I'm gonna pull your claws off. Let go.
Next. Here, let me throw him back. Here, I gotta put this guy on the stringer because we're eating him. Here, Daddy. We gotta go put these in.
Got a few in there. All right, guys, what did we catch?
We caught a few crawdads and that's the big one. Yes. Stay. Jake.
You got 5? What are you gonna do with them?
Eat them. We're gonna boil them up and eat them.
They won't, if they don't start swimming around, we're just
Watch
gonna
this, watch this.
film in right now. Wyatt, burn all the oil.
Tina, so I don't burn myself putting it in.
Get some food going. This is the dessert after the dessert.
I'll pour back in the big one. Smell good.
Very good.
You like the seasoning?
It's okay. Why?
Holt, do you love crawfish?
I ate a pound once.
He ate a pound once.
You ate a whole pound?
Mm-hmm.
By yourself?
Yeah.
Tell him about using his manners, Wyatt.
I don't do that whenever I'm eating crawfish.
Lowell's dabbing over there.
This is the guy that pinched my dad. Whenever you grab him like this, he could reach his pincher back and pinch you still.
How do you know it's the same one?
Because I have the small claw and big claw.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Can they still pinch you?
No, they're dead.
And I still pinch you. Mine's over near the dead tree. Hold on. Hold up. Crawfish!
Ah! It's caught!
Don't fall,
I
buddy.
don't have a crawfish. Oh, the way we're buying crawfish. Got some big stuff. Here, move.
All right, set them back. What'd you catch, buddy?
Big stuff. Good.
All right.
Wait a second.
Yeah, let him get back.
Big one. Don't make it up.
Several we caught, huh? No crawfish this time. All right, let's put them back.
Okay, we're pulling up one of our traps here at Chattahoochee Bend. It's a camping site, and let's see what we have in here. We have one. We have a couple minnows. Creek chub, green sunfish, couple green sunfish. Let's let him go. Hold, let these go.
Let's undo your straps so it doesn't pop you.
Here, hold. We're gonna put them in here so it won't feel like they're getting thrown off the side of a bridge.
Oh no, one hopped out.
Go, Holt.
One hopped out.
You make it back down?
All of them in? Yep. I'm ready to see what's in the next one.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, I'll show you. Come here.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait. You checked the trap before I got a chance to come over there. What was in your last trap?
Crawfish.
We let these out overnight. We had better luck only leaving them for a couple hours yesterday, didn't we? Holt, how was that crawfish last night?
Good.
All right, we're here at our last trap. We'll see if we can get more crawfish in here.
I see some crawfish. We have three crawfish.
All right,
4 crawfish.
hand me the net, buddy. Hand it to me, buddy.
Oh, there's a catfish.
Hand it to me, man.
There's a catfish.
Is there? Whoa, check these guys out.
Okay, Daddy, give me it.
There's 2 catfish.
There's 4 crawfish in there, or 5.
Catfish. There's 2 catfish. 3
Let's
catfish.
see. Make sure little baby catfish.
I want to let him go.
We will. All right, come on up here.
I want to keep him.
You want to keep him? What are you gonna do with him?
I want to keep him as a pet.
Oh man,
Put it back in there.
I want to see how many catfish.
show us how to get out, Wyatt. Ready? So you put one of your fish in here. See if
Can I do it?
No, why don't you stay back, buddy?
I guess it was.
Whoops. We'll have a recount of what happened yesterday on Mom.
Oh no, is it on fire, Daddy?
Not quite, not yet. The bowl is really hot though. Here, let's try this.
Those probably need to come out. Hey, Holt. Run get those plates down there with the paper towels that I got out.
They're burnt.
Never mind. It's on fire.
My fish are burnt.
Hey, it's worth a shot.
Now we know we can't eat these fish.
Blackened, right?
Here, I'm not throwing the grease. We'll just
Daddy,
cook, we'll
you
cook the
need
rest
to
of
like shade in there for like 2 seconds and then pick it back up.
I think the oil's too hot, buddy. The oil's on fire now.
Is that the last fish? Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. And
Epic fail. Holt, I think our catch and cook didn't work very well. What do you think? We caught the oil on fire last night, caught her again tonight. I think we just had too hot of a fire each time.
black. You didn't see it turning black.
Well, don't pour water on a grease fire, right, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
Trying to smother it, but that wasn't enough cornmeal.